Lucky Chidube, and in this project I'll be demonstrating how to create server storage. Here is the Azure home portal, and to create the required storage I'll be searching for disks. Okay, let's okay, here we are. You can see the disk I have already created so far. We have the customer success disk 1, disk 2, engineering disk 1, disk 2, sales marketing disk 1, and disk 2. But I'll be demonstrating to you how to create a new disk. So to create a new disk, you click on the create. Here we are. This is the creation wizard. Then we are going to choose our resource group, which I've named after my name, and a name for the disk. You can call it anything pertaining to the industry you are working with. Okay, let's call it advertisers, and you can see that the region remains US East, and we're having zone 1. For the disk size, we can change the size by clicking on change size, and then scrolling down you can reduce this size to 1 gigabyte. Let's review and create. Okay, validation passed, so we are creating the disk by clicking on the create. Okay, our disk has been created. You can see the disk called advertisers. Now we can limit access to disk storage by granting permission to the right group that are supposed to have access to this storage. To grant access, we click on the storage itself. Let's give it time to load. Okay, here we are. To give access to groups that will access this disk, we are going to use the access control, which is IAM. So clicking on the access control, we click on add row assignment. Now to assign row, we are going to use contributor. We click on next, and who are the members that are supposed to have this access to the storage? I can give this access to the group called engineering. This is an example. We select engineering, then we review and assign. This has automatically assigned the engineering group the access to the advertiser's storage. We can view this by checking row assignments. You can see that engineering here has the contributor row to the advertiser's storage. Now going back to the main storage I've created for this project. For this project, I've created the customer success disk 1 and 2. Now we are going to see the access we have given to these two disks. Going to the customer success disk 1, checking the access control, we'll check the row assignments. Using the privilege admin row, you can see that customer success group has the contributor row to this disk. Likewise, the disk 2. Checking the row assignment for disk 2. Customer success group also has contributor row to disk 2. For the engineering disk 1,